What's up, J Crew? This is my old 10-year-old computer. This was the very first computer I built, so I'll give you all the specs on it. I'll clean it up, then I'll turn it on and see if it works. But first, I'm gonna eat this awesome taco from Chipotle. Oh yeah. It has brown rice, pinto beans, one is chicken, one is steak. Both has corn on it and lettuce. And that's it. That's how I like it. All right, we're gonna do this and then that. So good. By the way, if any of you want some stickers or decals, just email me and I'll randomly pick some people to send some decals and stickers to. Here's some Fortnite ones, some stickers. I'm trying to build up this channel, so hopefully I can earn your guys' likes and subscriptions. All right, let's get back to this computer here. Okay, first off, let's just clean some of this stuff off here. Wipe it down a little bit. And if I'm not cleaning this right, sorry about that, guys. I'm just gonna do my best. I know I get a lot of comments about static this, static that, but this is an old computer, I don't really care about it. Okay, so I'm gonna take this vacuum and I'm just gonna suck up as much dust as I can. Alright, so I'm gonna unplug all of this and clean it up, and hopefully I can put it back together. This was the very first computer that I put together, and my friend was like, hey, I put together a couple computers already, let me help you out. I know everything, you know, how to put together the CPU and all this stuff. So, you know, I trusted him. I bought everything separately, the motherboard, CPU, graphics card, hard drives, everything here, memory, RAM, and then I put it all together. And it didn't turn on. How do you get this? Ugh, there we go. And so he was troubleshooting it, was trying to figure out like why isn't it turning on? And then I thought there was something wrong with the motherboard, but we came to find out that he installed the heatsink wrong and it burned out my CPU chip. I had to bring it to a computer store, and that's where the computer specialist guy, he told me, he was like, yeah, you burned out your CPU. You didn't install this right. But the cool thing was that computer guy hooked me up. He was like, just call up Intel here and tell them that you got a defective chip and I'll back you up. And so that's what I did. I called them up. I said, hey, I just bought your CPU and I don't think it's working. Something's defective or wrong with it. And I have it at a computer store right now with a computer specialist. Intel called them and he backed me up. He was like, yeah, we think this is a defective chip. And they sent me over a whole new, was it a chip or a motherboard? Something like that. So that guy helped me out a lot. After that, I didn't have him put together anything anymore for me. But I think overall I was disappointed with this motherboard that I got. Should have bought a better one. This is the ASUS P5K. But at the time, it was pretty fast. I ran a lot of good PC games on this. I'm not sure if this power supply even works anymore. I think this is like the second one I went through. Oh, this thing is like really hard to unclip. Why is this thing so strong? Come on, you piece of... Oh, there we go. Yeah. Alright, so I'm not going to take apart this heatsink because I don't have any of that extra heatsink material to put back on. But I'll take out the RAM, the graphics card, hard drives, and I think this is the Wi-Fi card. Yeah, this thing didn't have built-in Wi-Fi. I used this big-ass card. See, check it out. This was the Wi-Fi for this, made by Linksys. Wireless N, state of the art. And it connected back here through these 3 cables. Then I just had to have this sit somewhere on the computer, you know. It was way too big. Oh yeah, check that out. Linksys wireless and PCI adapter. No. I think I gotta pull it straight up. There you go. Radeon ATI X700. Look at this. VGA or DVI. Alright, check this out. The ATI Radeon X700 Pro has 256 megabytes AGP card with DirectX 9.0 with Vertex shaders. Ooh, Vertex shaders. Shader model 2.0B, 425 megahertz core with a Direct 3D 9.0B and OpenGL 2.0. Top of the line. Okay, let's check out the RAM. And for the RAM, you see how I had to put it in one slot, skip one slot, skip one. That's how it was. This is the Kingston HyperX DDR2. All right, here we go. This is the HyperX 2GB 240 pin DDR2 SD RAM, 800 PC2 6400 dual channel. And I find it funny that I'm buying a lot of HyperX stuff, just like my headphones here, HyperX. And this is a HyperX memory card. What the heck? Kingston, you are on top of your game. All right, so this doesn't really need cleaning, so I'm just gonna stick it right back in. Oh, you gotta hear that snap or else it's not in. Well, let's just check out this one too. Looking good, buddy, looking good. Right, let's take out this hard drive here. I think I'm only using one hard drive right now. Oh my gosh, look at this hard drive. So dirty. Alright, so this is a Maxtor Diamond Max Plus 9 120 gigabyte SATA hard drive. This thing is heavy like a brick. Let's just take out this one too and see what kind of hard drive it is. Oh. It's wedged in there. Okay, another Maxtor drive. Alright, so here's the new one on the right, and I guess I updated this to the SATA hard drive, and this was like just an old type hard drive. But also I bought this hard drive, and this one is encased in this icy dock thing that keeps it cool. Whoa, that's trippy. Alright, so this is a Western Digital and it has 500 gigabytes on it. Let's put it back in. Goes in like that. Snap on. Alright, so I sucked up some more dust with a vacuum and I think I got out as much as I could, so I'm gonna put this back together and I'm gonna try to turn it back on. Alright, so I think I got everything hooked back up. I don't think I forgot anything. I hooked up the external hard drive right back up into here. I'm not going to connect the Wi-Fi because I don't want it to do any updates or anything. And got the mouse. Found a monitor. Okay, look at that. I'm seeing some red lights here. It's on. I see a green light here. Green light means good. I'm not sure about red. Maybe red means not good. Wait, hold on. I need to connect this monitor somehow. Yes. And press power. Nope. No power. Alright, maybe it's this switch. Oh crap. What the? I don't hear anything processing. I don't think it takes this long to boot up. Maybe I need to switch this input. Yes, I think that's what it is. It's the input. Oh shoot. Alright, there we go. It beeped. Okay, it's doing something. Oh, a keyboard. What am I thinking? I need a keyboard. Okay, there we go. Keyboard. Come on, baby. Press enter setup to recover BIOS setting. F1 to run setup. F2 load default values and continue. All right, F2 then. F lock. There we go. F2. That's booting up. It's actually running pretty smooth. Okay, let me log in real quick. Wow, I almost forgot my password. I got it on the 3rd try. Okay, the mouse is working now. Hey, what do you know? This thing like works. It's pretty fast too. Look, what Windows is this? Let's see here. Windows Vista Ultimate. Okay, well, there you go. Everything is running. I'll have all the specs in the description below if you want to know about this computer. All right, check this out. I have some songs on here. Let's go through them and see what I have.
30% charge.
Wow. Look at this. It's using Winamp.
I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind.
Oh. 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 I miss you, I really wanna kiss you, but I can't. 678 And that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you like this. Do me a favor, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and I will see you later. Peace.